How to change password on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, here you're gonna find different sections. Head over to the section of Account Center. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different sections. Under account settings, you will find the option of password and security. Click on that option. Click on the option of change password. Click on your Facebook username. Now from this page, you are able to change your password. Firstly, type in your current password. Now type in new password for your account. Retype in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, recover it, and then you can go through the process to change the password. Once you feel this, click on change password. And just with that, your Facebook password will be changed. So this way you can easily change password on Facebook. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.